The itel A70 is arguably the most affordable phone you can buy, and it comes below $100. For that price, you are getting some great features and a camera that surprised me when I took this phone out to get some pictures. You're getting a whole day of battery life, and the design looks familiar with a certain brand, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about by now. Above all, what does it feel like to use this itel A70 on a daily basis? Well, I've been using it for over a week now, and here is everything you need to know if you're interested in buying the itel A70. Let's start by talking about the price. It comes in at around 88,000 naira, which is around $90. And the only phone I could think of that comes close is the Redmi A3, and that cost around 98,000 naira. The good thing is that I have the Redmi A3, and I'm going to putting them through their paces in a separate video. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see that video as soon as I upload it. Inside the box, you are getting the necessary accessories, including this lovable black TPU case that has a MagSafe design at the back. We are going to find out if the phone supports wireless charging in a bit. You're getting a charging brick, an earpiece, a SIM ejector tool, and that's basically everything in the box. I've handed this phone to a number of people, and the opinion seems to be mixed. Most people like the fact that it looks like an iPhone, while others don't really care. The phone has a flat back with a matte plastic finish that kind of hides stains and smudges at the back of the phone. For this price, plastic is to be expected, and plastic is also more durable. I have the black color option, and it shines based on how the light reflects on it. There are two other colors out there, and I think the golden color might just be the best one to get if you're interested in buying this device. One thing that I need to point out is that there is no way I'm using this phone without the unique case provided in the box. I love how it looks and feels, and this MagSafe ring you get around the case also makes it a little bit different. It is not one of those cases that will show up dead after a while like you get with all those white silicone TPU cases. There are 3 camera rings at the back, but one houses a flashlight. We'll talk more about the cameras before the end of this video. The frame is also made of plastic, and on the right side we have the fingerprint scanner, and it also doubles as the unlock key. The volume key is slightly above the unlock key on the phone. On the left side we have the SIM card tray that supports 2 4G SIM cards and a slot for a memory expansion. It charges through a USB-C port, and we have a headphone port at the bottom. The phone comes with a down-firing speaker, and you also get an extra microphone for calls at the bottom. The build quality is great, and the rounded edges make the phone comfortable in hand. You are getting a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display here with the standard 60Hz refresh rate, and of course a 720p resolution. For its price, it is what to be expected, but I feel sometimes specs on paper don't really do justice. The display is functional and responsive. Streaming content or gaming is also satisfying on the display. There isn't anything crazy going on. itel kept it well balanced and functional. You get the dynamic port, and it comes on when you are charging the phone or when calls come in. It also works when you use the face unlock feature. In the display settings, you also get a number of options you can play around with to customize display and make it how you want it to be. The phone is powered by the Unisoc T603 processor, and it handles basic tasks like a champ. I was able to download PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile on the phone, and they were playable at low graphic settings. To be very honest, I was surprised that I could even download these kinds of game on this phone, because when I brought it out of the box, I wasn't expecting to play Call of Duty on this phone. When it comes to basic tasks like loading apps and scrolling through social media, the phone handled it quite well for its price of under 100k. My variant here has 3 gigs RAM, and thanks to memory fusion, the RAM can be expanded to 8 gigs using some part of the 128 gig storage space on the phone. Performance is very okay for the price. What about software? It is running on Android 13 Go edition, and the reason is simple. That version of Android seems to work a lot better on budget phones like the itel A70. Once you turn the phone on, there is an important software update, and you need to run it immediately before you start operating the phone. There are light version of apps in the Play Store, and they are more compatible with the phone. If you want to use this phone smoothly and effectively, then I urge you to download light version of Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. The phone also comes with all the essential Google apps that you need. There are also some bits of customizations that you can do on the phone. Because of the optimization, scrolling around the phone feels smooth, and the software is efficient enough for the price. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and it supports 10 watts charging. Battery life is impressive and it will last an entire day on a single charge. You can get up to 8 hours of screen on time if you are a demanding user on the phone. Charging the phone takes between 2 to 3 hours and it's better you plug it off and charge it overnight while you are sleeping. We have a 13 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel camera up front. The camera does a good job in bright light, you just need to hold it still. You also get portrait mode and there are a number of other features in the camera app. Here are more photos from the phone. Let us know what you think about the camera quality in the comment section below. In conclusion, the itel A70 is a decent device for its price. You are getting a good battery life, likable design, and performance is okay for the price. For less than 100,000 naira, it's a good deal and you can hardly find something better out there. What else do you want to know about the phone? Let us know in the comment section below and click on the video showing on your screen right now to see me talk about the new itel S24. I'll see you in that video.